Okay? So it's a little bit different. I sit on a motorcycle, but I ride a motorcycle. Or a bicycle is the same, okay? And we can sit in a car or travel in a car, but drive a car. So sit in a car, but drive a car. Okay? So I drive a car or I sit in a car. Okay, they're a little bit different. Now, let's practice. Isabel, how did you get to school yesterday? Did you take a taxi?
No, I didn't. I took the tram. I came home on the bus.
Okay. And how did you get to work yesterday, Ali? Did you drive?
No, I didn't drive. I rode a motorcycle.
Yeah, okay. And Susan, how did you get to work?
I usually get a bus. Today, I stood and waited for 10 minutes. Then I left. I rode my bike and I saw Ali on his motorcycle.
Ooh, I bet he was going fast. Okay. And how did you get to France last year, Isabel?
I flew on a plane.
Okay. And did you say you flew in a balloon?
No, I said I flew on a plane.
Ah, okay, just checking. Did they give you lunch?
Yes, they gave us a good lunch.
What did you eat?
I ate lamb, rice, and a salad.
Okay, sounds good. Did you fly to France last month, Susan?
I didn't fly. I drove to Greece. Then I went by train.
Did you eat on the train?
Yes, I get a good meal. I sat at a table and saw countryside from the train.
Okay, good. And what did you eat?
I ate chicken and salad.
Okay, very nice. Now it's time again to look and listen.
Look and listen.
He drove his car to work. The doctor flew in a helicopter. The teacher rode a motorcycle. He rode a horse last summer.
Read and repeat. Transportation words.
Okay, now here are some important words to know about travel. Now, first one is airport. Airport. The next is baggage. Baggage, also called luggage. Luggage, like bag. Baggage and luggage. A boarding pass. A boarding pass. It's like a ticket. Captain. The conductor. The conductor. The departure lounge. The departure lounge. Departure means to go. A dock, a highway, it's a very busy street, passport, pilot, platform, a port, station, street, ticket, and traffic. Okay, so these are some words that you need for traveling. Airport, baggage or luggage, a boarding pass, the captain, the conductor, the departure lounge, dock, highway, passport, pilot, platform, port, station, street, ticket, and traffic. Okay? Now, we're going to put these words into categories, into groups. Okay? Now, let me make some room here. Because notice, these are A, B, C, D. All right? These are in alphabetical order. Now, we're going to put them into logical groups. And we'll start with people in charge. People in charge. Okay? Now, in this group we have captain, conductor, driver, rider, and pilot. Now, let's practice. Okay, I'm a teacher. A teacher is in charge of a class. Susan, who is in charge of a ship?
A captain is in charge of a ship.
Yes, good. What else can a captain be in charge of?
A boat, maybe. A ferry has a captain.
That's right. What about a plane, Ollie?
A pilot is in charge of a plane.
What else can a pilot be in charge of?
Balloons and helicopters have pilots.
That's right. Okay, Isabel, what about a train?
A conductor is in charge of a train.
Yes. What about trams and buses, Isabel?
Trams and buses have drivers.
Okay. Isabel, who is in charge of a car?
I don't know.
Okay. I drive a car. I'm a driver. You drive a car. You're a driver. Ali, you drive a car. What are you?
I am a driver.
Yes, you are. Now, Susan, what about a motorcycle or a bicycle? Who's in charge?
I don't know.
Okay, he rides a motorcycle. He's a rider. Susan, you ride a bicycle. What are you?
I am a rider.
Yes, that's right. Good. Okay, now we're going to make a different group. This was people in charge. Now we're going to talk about leaving and arriving. Okay, now in this group we have airport, departure lounge, dock, platform, port, and station. So these are places for leaving and arriving. Now, Isabel, you said you flew to France last year. How did you do that?
We took a taxi to the airport.
And what did you do there?
We sat in the departure lounge. We got on the plane. The plane left the airport.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Susan, you said you drove to Greece. How did you do that?
I drove my car to port by the sea. The ferry was at the dock. I took my car on the ferry to Greece.
Okay, good. Now, Ali, Susan said she rode the train to France. How did she do that?
She left her car at the train station.
And then?
She stood on the platform